is the building I created. It consists of two parts, one small and one large. The small building in the front has a store in it. It contains official merchandise of Sega's mascot, Sonic the Hedgehog. The second part of the building, the large one at the back, is an office for the Sega employees. On the first floor there are a few meeting rooms and a big space for resting when you just came off work or you're having a few minutes off. Second floor consists of a big workspace with computers and a room for the owner of the branch. The building that I've created is mostly based off the Sega headquarters building in Tokyo, but also of the logo of Sonic the Hedgehog himself. Another big influence on this building was the game Sonic Adventure. The architecture in one stage, Speed Highway, is pretty colorful, so when first playing this game, believe me, that was a long time ago, it already caught my eye. I decided to play this stage a few times again and I got some inspiration from it. See this building? Guess where the round roof came from? The location of this building is Akihabara. It is a district in Tokyo. It's a big shopping district for computer goods, video games, anime and manga. The building has fairly bright colors, just like the other buildings in Akihabara, so it fits in nicely. The Sega logo on the building does pop though, so it's clear it is a Sega building.